Hello, welcome to today's cue breakdown. We're going to look at a tasking cue. So pay attention as we go through the playthrough, because you'll see there's 3 sections that build in intensity and you'll hear the different parts come in. Don't forget, if this is your sort of thing, like and subscribe is always appreciated. Let's hear it. Okay, let's have a look at what's going on here. And to be honest, it's relatively simple. It's based around a B, and it's the only melodic parts are these top 3 really. There is a bass that comes in for the second section, but yeah, I suppose those top 4 are the melodic parts. So let's go from top to bottom, see what's going on. The first sound is String Murmurations from Crow Hill, and the patch is That Way Went, and it sounds like this. So as the note goes on, the players change the note, obviously. And the reason it sounds so good is obviously because it's real live string players who have been told to do this effect. And the control you have is how long you hold out these notes for. So to start with, that long one has 2 rises and dips in it. Then these ones will only have 1 rise. Later on, they're in octaves. And they cut off just before the first rise come in. So that's the most varied string line, and you can see the point of adding the octave at the end is to build intensity as we go along. Okay, Fragile Strings from Spitfire. So they're playing these nice long sustained notes and then build on the B by adding the D, so we're heading for a minor sound. And the last bit is from Sequis, this Fjord melody. Now, tasking cue involves this sort of forward momentum. And you see it's adding, this one's doing the B and then it's adding the D, sort of counterpoint to the fragile strings. Then all together. And I've put some automation in on the string murmurations because they weren't quite cutting out as we had that little breakdown there. Okay, then the bass comes in and you'll notice it's fairly simple. We're holding out on a B to start with. Then going up to the D, and then for the last section, again, adding a bit more variety, we change more frequently. So that's what gives it the sense of the forward momentum. Okay, then we've just got the loops that are in there from Damage. So we've got the high loops, then the mid loops come in a bit later, and they're quite low in volume in the mix, deliberately, obviously, so it's you don't want everything at the same loudness coming through. And finally we've got the low loops, which are hinted at halfway through the second section and then are completely added to the last section. So nice deep booms. And yeah, they come in at the end. Then we've got the transitions and cymbals. So literally I went through and just played these cymbals in as we went through, and not particularly loudly. So some little accent points and swells where things were changing, and notice obviously they weren't in the first section. Last bit is these Uncharted 88 from Heaviosity. Let's hear that on its own. Really like that one. And yeah, and then it's back to the first one for the other two. There you go, relatively simple cue, but when you listen through to it again, try and pick out those different parts that are coming through, and you'll notice again, hopefully, how the intensity builds. Listen for the percussion parts coming in and out. Really good exercise to do, and then why not have a go at making one yourself? Okay, like and subscribe, always appreciated. I'll play it again for you and see you in the next video. Bye for now.